Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Norfolk Naval Shipyard installs USS Montpelier sonar dome in record time during engineered overhaul. Norfolk Naval Shipyard has completed a record time sonar dome installation on USS Montpelier during the submarine's engineered overhaul. The milestone was led by the Code 700 Lifting and Handling Department, including Code 7 for O operations. The shipyard said the work set a new standard for efficiency and teamwork on a 688 class submarine. Code 700 and the wider project team safely and successfully installed the submarine's sonar dome. During the evolution, the dome was seated precisely in place. About 200 bolts were installed, and the lifting ring was removed in record time. Norfolk Naval Shipyard said the accelerated timeline was achieved without compromising crew safety or work quality. The operation is considered a key step toward the broader goal of undocking Montpelier ahead of schedule. This evolution is a perfect demonstration of our core mission delivery through lifting and handling excellence, said Code 700 Director Joe Singer. The precision and speed shown by this team represents the high standard of support we strive to provide to the shipyard and the fleet every day, Singer said. Deputy Director Kenny Minard said the successful installation reflected close coordination across the shipyard. He highlighted the role of Code 700, Shop 11 and the project team in completing the complex lift. Executing this complex lift safely and in record time is a testament to the teamwork between Code 700, Shop 11, and the project team, Minard said. This outstanding effort directly sets us up to undock the Montpelier ahead of schedule, Minard added. Norfolk Naval Shipyard described the achievement as a major shipyard win. The shipyard credited the Code 700 Lifting and Handling Department, the Code 920 Structural Department's Shop 11 shipfitters and the entire Montpelier project team for their coordination, technical expertise and dedication to the mission. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.